How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to change your language on Bilibili. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So for those of you guys who aren't familiar, Bilibili is essentially the YouTube of China. So it's the Chinese YouTube. So by default, if you guys visit the site, it's actually set to Chinese or Mandarin or whatnot. So if you guys want to use their website to maybe watch videos and whatnot, then you'd want to switch it to English, right? So there are actually two ways to do this. One through the browser app, or I should say the website, as well as the app on your phone. So we'll be starting with the actual website on desktop. So the way to do it is you want to, once you guys have logged in, you want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen, like so. And right away, you'll see that there's a language button right here. So by default, this is either set to Chinese or your system's default language. And to change it, you simply want to click on it and then select the language that you want to set it to. And that's basically it. Now, if you guys are on your phones, what you will want to do is click on the profile icon on your phone, or rather, I should say the button that says "Me" once you guys are logged in. And when you do, it should take you to a whole new page where you get to customize your profile, right? Now, among those settings is the uh, language content or the content language. So what you would need to do basically is click on that and swap it to English and then save it. And that'd be it. You guys have successfully changed the Bilibili language to English. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.